Hi there, this is Shep Hyken, customer service speaker, expert, and the author of the New York Times and Wall Street Journal best-selling business book, The Amazement Revolution. On this video, I'm going to share 5 ways to create a customer service culture. The reason an organization can deliver good or bad customer service comes down to simply one thing. It's what's happening on the inside of that organization. You can sum it all up in just one word: culture. The culture inside the organization is impacting the customer service. Now, the culture is more than just hiring the right people, and it's more than the right customer service training. But at the same time, it's pretty simple. It's just setting an example of customer service behavior at the top and pushing its way through all of the employees toward the customer. Starting at the top means that leadership and management must set the tone. Then they must practice what they preach. They must treat the employees like they want the customer treated, perhaps even better, just to accentuate the point. Now, if you've been following my work, then that last statement might seem familiar. It's my spin on the golden rule, which I refer to as the employee golden rule, treating employees the way you want your customer treated. This is where the customer-focused culture begins, and it starts with people who want to do the right thing. From that point, we can layer on customer service training and any other types of training that focus on taking care of the customer and creating an amazing place to work. So, how can you accomplish this? Here are 5 ways that you can create a customer-focused culture. Number 1, hire for the culture. It's an old cliche that says, hire for the attitude and train the skill. Now, this is a little different. Even with the right attitude, a new employee might not fit into the culture that you're trying to build or sustain. Look beyond the attitude and look for the personality. Make sure the personality has what it takes to be a cultural fit. Number 2, train for the culture. If the employee has the right attitude and the personality that meshes with your culture, get him or her up to speed and entrenched in your culture as quickly as possible. They must understand what the company stands for, its goals, its mission, and its vision. Number 3, everyone must be on the same page. I call this alignment. Understanding the company's goals, mission, and vision is one thing. Employees must be able to articulate the essence of these statements. I love the concept of a mantra, which is a one-sentence version of the goals, vision, and mission that succinctly sums up what the company's culture is all about. Number 4, allow people to experiment. This is another way of saying people are empowered to try and do new things, and it's especially true in the world of customer service. The outcome should be favorable for the customer, not hurt the company financially or legally, and enhance the relationship that the company has with the customer. Number 5, create a learning environment. If you really let people experiment and they're truly empowered, there'll be much to learn from the successes and the failures of your employees. Celebrate it all. Encourage people to learn from their successes and their failures. Share these lessons with everyone. If your company is amazing to work for, if people love coming to work, and if there's a contagious enthusiasm because people really love how they're treated, what you do and what they're doing will definitely affect the customer. They're going to feel it in a positive way. That's what a customer-focused culture is all about. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short lesson. Please be sure to visit my website, which is www.hyken, Hyken. There you'll find more information about my speaking programs, as well as over 150 customer service articles that you can read and share with your colleagues. Thank you very much for watching. This is Shep Hyken, and I'm reminding you to always be amazing.